Hi, Wes Scott from Kane and Scott. Today we're going to talk about what should come first, your divorce or a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Um, a Chapter 7 bankruptcy is often triggered by a divorce. I mean, you go from a household of one to two households, and there's attorney's fees, and there's extra expenses of setting up the house and whatnot. It's a big trigger for Chapter 7 bankruptcy. My advice is if you're facing, should I start the divorce first or should I start the Chapter 7 bankruptcy first? I would tell you do the Chapter 7 bankruptcy first for a number of reasons. Um, Chances are, if one of a spouse needs to file, you both need to file. I mean, if there's a lot of joint debt, if your credit's a little sour or you know it's going to be sour and you simply can't manage all this debt, doing a joint Chapter 7 bankruptcy is only possible when you're still married. So I would tell you to file a joint Chapter 7 bankruptcy. It's cheaper, it's simpler, and it clarifies a big issue in your divorce. Um, so that's one reason to do it first. The second reason to do it first is it clarifies an issue for your ex-spouse if your ex-spouse doesn't file. Look, you got to be above board with this stuff. You got to be transparent. And it is an issue. It's a problem if there's joint debt and one spouse files, the other one does not. Because when the one spouse files, the entire liability for the joint debt falls to the other spouse. But that's an issue in the divorce. And you should be transparent about that. When the time is right, when you are ready, reach out to Kane and Scott. You'll be so happy you did. Have a good day.